Presenting the FLEXTAILGEAR, your ultimate 30-in-1 EDC multi-tool card. With an impressive array of 30 functions, this diminutive powerhouse emerges as the hipper kin of the Swiss Army knife. Crack open cans, uncap bottles, and manipulate screws, cables, and pulleys, fulfilling every camping aficionado's reverie. Despite its compact profile, it wields a substantial impact, hosting a knife, saw, wrench, and more. Slip it effortlessly into your wallet or pocket, ensuring perpetual readiness for everyday tasks or spontaneous outdoor escapades. The FLEXTAILGEAR stands as a testament to multitasking prowess, delivering efficiency for mundane routines and unforeseen wilderness trials alike. Elevate your preparedness with this innovation that transforms any challenge into a conquest. Meet your gateway to hammock paradise. This compact marvel unveils a generous 118 by 78 inches of solace while collapsing to a size smaller than a 2-liter bottle and weighing under 3 pounds. Assembling is a cinch thanks to its tree-loving straps and straightforward loops and hooks. Crafted with durability in mind, it boasts two 10-teed parachute nylon, outmatching competitors with 30% more strength, and accommodating weights of up to 600 pounds. And there's more, the anti-mosquito net guarantees uninterrupted nights, free from pesky bugs. Embrace the ultimate hammock experience, where relaxation meets innovation in a portable package. Bushnell's backpacking tents epitomize lightweight resilience. Weighing just 3 pounds, this compact gem assembles effortlessly, making it ideal for your backpacking jaunts. Engineered for endurance, its aluminum poles, rain fly, and floor seams defy nature's trials. Enhanced with reflective piping, internal pockets, and an external flashlight pocket, it's a savvy camper's delight. Embrace the blend of lightness and sturdiness, perfectly encapsulated in Bushnell's backpacking tents, your trusty companion for outdoor expeditions. Satisfy your appetite with the Odoland folding campfire grill, an indispensable addition to your camping culinary arsenal. Beyond being an affordable and portable barbecue, this grill is a versatile cooking powerhouse. This grill is more than just a barbecue. It's a versatile cooking companion, ideal for various culinary creations. With a straightforward setup requiring just 5 components, it's ready to sizzle in under a minute. From succulent meats to charred vegetables, this grill accommodates a range of delicacies. Crafted from robust stainless steel, it defies challenges like rust, heat, scratches, and corrosion with ease. When it comes to durability and performance, the Odoland folding campfire grill stands tall, ensuring your outdoor feasts are memorable and enjoyable. Don't overlook the importance of satisfying food on your adventures, and make this grill an essential part of your camping gear. Introducing the Naturehike Camping Chair, your gateway to outdoor relaxation and excitement. With its ingenious shock coat frame, it transitions from folded to fully assembled in a matter of moments. Reinforced corners bestow unwavering stability, while the ripstop 600D cationic fabric guarantees enduring resilience. Embrace the outdoors comfortably with the breathable mesh fabric, relishing the breeze without discomfort. Bid farewell to wobbles and tumbles, thanks to the anti-slip foot design. Let the Naturehike Camping Chair be your companion for seamless leisure and adventure under the open sky. Elevate your camping experience with a touch of kitchen convenience. Meet the versatile 2-in-1 cooktop, bridging the gap between your campsite and culinary desires. Boil within its anodized aluminum pot or opt for your preferred cookware. It sizzles up food and water 30% quicker than standard camping stoves, transforming meal prep into a breeze. The package includes a neoprene sleeved pot, complete with a mesh carrying bag. Enjoy the cool touch lid and folding handle for safety and ease. Equipped with effortless electric ignition and compatibility with compact isobutane/propane canisters, this stove suits every adventure. The icing on the cake, a mesh carrying bag for effortless portability, ensuring your culinary prowess accompanies you on your journeys. Embark on outdoor adventures equipped with the Tempsnow aluminum water canteen cup stove pouch set, a remarkable companion for camping, survival endeavors, hiking, and backpacking. This portable military canteen boasts a versatile design, combining a sturdy canteen and a reliable cup in one compact package. Crafted from durable aluminum, the canteen guarantees resilience in rugged environments, while the accompanying cup adds convenience to your outdoor cooking and drinking needs. The included stove pouch enhances the set's practicality, ensuring efficient cooking capabilities even in the wilderness. Experience comfort and convenience like never before with the iClimb heavy-duty hard-arm folding mesh chair. Designed with your leisure in mind, it's equipped with a cup holder and bottle opener for your relaxation. This versatile chair is a must-have for various occasions, from BBQs and picnics to RV travel, tailgating, fishing, camping, beach outings, sporting events, concerts, sketching sessions, backyard lounging, and even holiday car trips. Its distinctive feature allows it to stand upright when packed, ensuring cleanliness wherever you go. The chair's innovative design saves space by folding into a compact bundle, perfect for storage and transport. The heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame guarantees durability and resistance against rust, while the quilted mesh back and bottom provide comfort and breathability. Experience the ultimate in warmth and comfort with the KingCamp sleeping bag, an exceptional investment that redefines value. Designed with an expanded shape for a cozy slumber, this sleeping bag proves affordability needn't compromise quality, allowing you more budget for your mountain exploits. Crafted from 100% polyester 210T diamond lattice fabric, it's a blend of comfort and durability. The lightweight hollow cotton filling boasts remarkable insulation, enshrouding us in soothing warmth during chilly nights. Even as temperatures drop, we can rest assured. Versatility is at our fingertips with the option to combine two single sleeping bags into a double, broadening our sleeping space for companionship. The bag features an ISO collar, a wind baffle, and an adjustable drawstring hood to effectively trap warmth. Embrace the skin-friendly luxury of this sleeping bag, tailor-made for side sleepers. And when your adventure concludes, the included compression sack ensures easy, efficient packing. Elevate your outdoor rest with the KingCamp sleeping bag, where exceptional value meets remarkable performance. Designed for beginners and quick getaways, the NEVO RHINO backpack is your ideal fit. Boasting an impressive 50L capacity combined with a lightweight structure, it's tailored for activities like hiking, cycling, climbing, and more. Crafted from robust ripstop nylon, this backpack is reinforced with sturdy zippers and a waterproof rain cover to safeguard your gear against the elements. The innovative design integrates a breathable system featuring mesh padding, ensuring both comfort and ventilation during your adventures. Enhancing the experience is a high-load waist buckle, ergonomic design, and customizable features that guarantee a snug fit and comfort, even under full loads. The NEVO RHINO backpack blends capacity, durability, and functionality, making it your ultimate companion for outdoor escapades. For those seeking a touch of the future in their outdoor gear, behold the AsFrost Camping Lantern at $950. This lantern transcends mere illumination, it's your expedition's ultimate ally. Featuring a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery that doubles as a power bank, you're equipped for every challenge. With a potent 450 lumens of radiance enveloping a 360-degree span, it guides your path while empowering you to charge devices on the go. Tailor the lighting to your needs with adjustable settings, courtesy of the 32 energy-efficient LED bulbs. Rain, snow, or whatever nature conjures, this lantern triumphs as it boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating. Complete with an SOS mode and magnetic tripod, the AsFrost Camping Lantern not only lights your surroundings but bolsters your confidence. Choose the future-forward approach and enhance your outdoor endeavors with this remarkable piece of technology. When clean drinking water is scarce, turn to the LifeStraw Go Bottle. This isn't your ordinary water container, it's a portable water filter in disguise. Crafted without BPA, this bottle is your ally for staying hydrated on the go. The LifeStraw Go boasts an award-winning hollow fiber membrane and a 2-stage activated carbon filter. Together, they combat unpleasant tastes, odors, chlorine, and more, transforming questionable water sources into reliable hydration solutions. From streams to rivers and ponds, you can confidently scoop water and sip away, reassured of clean and fresh hydration. The flexible silicone mouthpiece ensures durability without the risk of chips or cracks, and it's easy to remove for quick cleaning. With a handy carabiner, attaching it to your backpack is a breeze, a passport to safe drinking water in any situation. Embrace the LifeStraw Go Bottle as your indispensable companion when access to clean water is uncertain, ensuring you stay refreshed and healthy wherever your journey takes you. Step into the past with the elegance of the Olantern Classic Mini Lantern, now in a remarkably compact form. This lantern combines vintage charm with modern functionality. Don't let its size deceive you, the Olantern Classic Mini delivers impressive brightness, ranging from 5 to 300 lumens. Its step-less dimming control ensures the perfect illumination for any setting. The newly added lock feature secures the lantern during storage, preventing unintended light activations in your backpack. Ready for action, it charges fully in just 5 hours via USB-C, offering up to 60 hours of continuous shine. With a unique handle design, carrying this lantern is a breeze, and its versatility shines as it hangs from trees, tents, or poles. And here's the surprise, it doubles as a power bank for your devices, adding an extra layer of utility to your outdoor experience. Appreciate the blend of classic design and contemporary features with the Olantern Classic Mini, your compact companion that illuminates both your surroundings and your devices. No matter your outdoor destination, one constant is encountering mosquitoes. But imagine if you could keep them at bay without messy sprays. Welcome to Thermacell's fuel-powered zone mosquito repellents. These innovative devices create a 15-foot mosquito protection zone, preventing these pests from bothering you. Fuel-powered Thermacell repellents operate uniformly. Each repeller uses a fuel cartridge and repellent mats infused with a natural insect repellent found in chrysanthemums. This combination ensures hours of mosquito-free enjoyment. Using them is simple. Insert a fuel cartridge, slide in a repellent mat, turn the switch on, and press the start button. The heat from the fuel cartridge activates the repellent, creating a protective zone that disperses the repellent over a few minutes. A single mat lasts up to 4 hours, and when it turns white, it's time to replace it. With Thermacell, you can say goodbye to lotions, sprays, and open flames. Enjoy an invisible, silent, 15-foot shield against mosquitoes. Thermacell stands by its products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Thermacell. Turns it on, mosquitoes are gone. Introducing JoGo, the world's most compact and portable solution for enjoying French press-style coffee. It offers an incredibly simple and convenient way to savor robust coffee anytime and anywhere. Dropping a scoop of your preferred coffee grounds into JoGo, adding hot water, and inserting the device allows you to relish the full flavor of coffee without any compromise. JoGo's unique design not only fits snugly into your pocket but is also 100% sustainable. Drinking coffee through a straw prevents unwanted tooth stains, adding another benefit to this innovative tool. Whether you're a nomadic traveler, an outdoor explorer, or a busy student, JoGo is the ideal companion.